Alright, we're just going down this long road where it leads out to a bridge. Smells like charcoal, sounds like someone's burning crap around here. Ugh. This is like a little bike lane which tells you can ride it, but you have to be aware because kids and parents are taking their kids over the bridge. So beware of people basically. Got it on my high at the moment. Hopefully I should have enough on it. Alright. Should be easy enough to go up here without using any leg power. Power, more power. Hulk smash. Hulk angry. Alright, here we go. Hulk thunder smash. Thunder clap. Me, David Banner. Me, not Hulk. Me, destroy. Hulk, destroy. Woo! Alright, here we go. Woohoo! Oh yeah. Back in a minute, guys and girls. 2 seconds.